Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 2, Chapter 4, Organ and Organic System in Animals. Morphology of earthworm. The body is cylindrical, which is divided into many segments. 100 to 120, 150 is this approximately. Similarly, metamerisous. The metamerisous, the entire body is divided into small segments like. Each of the segments are also known as metamerisous. Body is divided into surfaces, dorsal and ventral surface. Dorsal surface has a dark median mid-dorsal line. Exactly dorsal blood vessels along the longitudinal axis of the body. Ventricle surface, presence of genital openings. The examples of a single female genital 4 and another one male genital force present. Ventral surface, presence of genital opening. It look at the anterior pointed end and another blunt posterior end. Come to back, the end of posterior. The most anterior part earthworm body is prostomium. Prostomium, this structure known as prostomium, that used cover the mouth and as like the wedge which is helping digging and burrowing, because daytime burrow the soil and inside the land. Sensory organ. The prostomium is the part that is present different of the mouth, the anterior most portion of the mouth of the earthworm body. It is also sensory organ. The mouth opening is not first segment. The first segment of peristomium. It is also known as buccal segment because it containing mouth opening. So, prostomium is used to cover up the mouth, but first segment peristomium. Okay, and after the first segment, after all segment, first, second, third segment containing, there are different kind of the sensory segment which are metamerisous. After first segment there is a lion present. The lion is known as seated ring. This lion present on each on every segment present on the earthworm body except the first and last and cytellum. The first segment peristomium. The last segment has the anus called pygidium. Clitellum. The matured worm segment, the covered by the dark band. A prominent dark band of glandular tissue is called clitellum. It generally appears as a swelling covering several segments. 14 to 6 include 3 segments. 14, 15, 16. Based on the presence of earthworm, body is divided into 3 regions: preclitellar, clitellar, postclitellar. This clitellar 14 to 16, thickness of the band. Preclitellar, this entire known as this portion 1 to 13 segment. Next, postclitellar after the 17th segment. Clitellum very important role of during process of reproduction. Next, setae. The structure are present as each segment middle of the small S-shaped. The structure also present. It helps to movement one place to another. These are S-shaped structures in the epidermis pits in middle of each segment, present in all segments except first and last clitellum. It helps in locomotion. This S-shaped structure and hooks, small hooks, have its help in locomotion. It helps to anger and control through the mouth by moving to the soil. Thank you, students.